Yes, senior citizens and Kumasi Asante Kotoko currently face demotion, but a new husa and ahomachi documents no menya tracking came details no ewaha. It is because of Adebia Kumasi Asante Kotoko currently elake Kotoko any board per the club licensing committee no requirement no let's say Ghana football no so we a Premier League club na open say o guarantee or activeness in the league the standard from the club licensing authority and as a board is that you must submit your board members and the management directors of the club. But currently Kumasi Asante Kotoko abo season na ama your match day 24 still na Kotoko ni board directors then Kumasi na the punishment is that you forfeit your being a member of the Premier League club. Until you be demoted, you be your lances untimi play in the Ghana Premier League or any interclub competition. And only after say effect amount for every raise concern, they are taking effect. But for now, be yes, that's the only escape route. That's the only lifeline at Kotoko. And ubi also nkoyesa. Where I say now no me try report but I say Kumasi Asante Kotoko be appointed board before the end of the season because of Adewe Intia. So Kotoko tena ho me both season anyway without board of directors obi betima ko trigger sa clause no. Pacho what I say. O the document ma men kan kakra ma. Criteria 4.1A or say must if a license application does not fulfill any criteria, it cannot be granted a license to enter into any club, interclub, and a national competition. Interclub Africa and a national competition in Ghana. So 14.3 or say a company registration document also that the applicant shall submit a copy of the company registration, certificate of incorporation, certificate to commence business, and names of shareholders, directors, and management officials of the club, registered place of the business and address. But currently, Kotoko and submit ya match day 24 into Obiko triggers our clause. They say Kotoko any board of directors, but still now Mubu League a bit me affect the punishment of this particular rule. No, the Kenny or say having gone virtually season without constituted board of directors. Kotoko have breached Article 40.3D no you breach it. So the club licensing regulatory board no breach punishment is that it's a loss of license to play in any CAF interclub competition and national competition. So the punishment no but to say the only lifeline to say the mekan and they say Ubianko triggers our clause and they say Kotoko and as you raise concern they say Kotoko any board directors on submit but or and only the only lifeline. Okay, say now no manual that should be reported and may also be seen by the end of the season Kotoko ebe appoint because a requirement from the FA. But as Ubia ID on that, I just Ubia why no man so train the trigger now but the good thing is that Kotoko so aware of this and I'm told say by the end of the season and Kumasi Asante Kotoko be appointed board in no more time. It's for